15 must-have items for your emergency kit, according to the Red Cross. Hey there, survival enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the realm of emergency preparedness. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, this guide is for you. We're talking about those critical moments when disaster strikes, the lights go out, and you're left relying on your own instincts and resources. It's in these times that being prepared can make all the difference. We're guided by the American Red Cross, America's leading humanitarian organization specializing in disaster relief and emergency assistance. Their expertise is unmatched, and their recommendations are based on years of experience. They've been on the front lines witnessing firsthand the devastating impact of emergencies, and they've compiled a list of 15 crucial items you should always have at hand in your home. These items are not just suggestions, they are essentials. These items are designed to prepare you for a multitude of natural and man-made disasters. From earthquakes to floods and everything in between, having these supplies can help you stay safe and secure. Think along the lines of the raging forest fires in California, the unexpected winter blackouts in Texas, or even back-to-back hurricanes hitting the Gulf Coast. Each of these scenarios requires a different set of preparations, but the core items remain the same. These 15 items are your lifeline, your first line of defense in building a comprehensive emergency supply kit. They are the foundation upon which you can build a more personalized kit. Once you've secured these essentials, feel free to customize your kit further, tailoring it to the potential disaster scenarios most likely to affect your area. Consider the unique risks you face and add items accordingly. But remember, securing these 15 items is paramount. They are the building blocks of any effective emergency preparedness plan. Strap in as we break down these life-saving items, showcasing examples and sharing personal insights. We'll explain why each item is important and how it can be used in an emergency. Stay tuned till the end because we've got some bonus items that we strongly recommend adding to your emergency kit. These extras can provide additional comfort and security. So without any further ado, let's get started. Get ready to take notes and make sure your emergency kit is up to par. When the grid goes down, so do ATMs and card readers. That's why the Red Cross suggests that you should keep a substantial stash of cash in your home at all times, preferably in small denominations. Imagine needing to buy supplies or fuel, but all you have are high-denomination bills. Small bills are key in a crisis. Remember, in a survival situation, cash can be more valuable than gold. Keep it stashed safely in your emergency kit. Invest in some warm wool blankets and keep them in your emergency kit because when emergencies strike, these blankets will be your best friends. Wool is a natural insulator, keeping you warm even when damp. I've used wool blankets countless times in the wild to combat the elements, and trust me, they're lifesavers. Choose blankets that are durable, tightly woven, and large enough to wrap yourself in completely. Remember, staying warm is crucial in a survival scenario. We all know we can't survive long without water. The Federal Emergency Management Agency recommends storing 1 gallon of water per person per day for at least 3 days. The Red Cross insists on having enough water for 2 full weeks at home. That's a lot of water, but it's better to have too much than not enough. Store water in clean, airtight containers and rotate your supply every 6 months to ensure freshness. Chapter 4. Non-perishable foods, fueling your survival. In an emergency, you need to keep your energy levels up to stay alert and active. The Red Cross suggests having 3 days' worth of mobile, non-perishable food for potential evacuation situations and 2 weeks' worth of food at home in case of a need to shelter in place. Think canned goods, energy bars, dried fruits, and nuts. These items are compact, nutritious, and easy to store. Choose foods that require no cooking or refrigeration and have a long shelf life. This ensures they remain edible for extended periods. Remember, a well-fed body is a strong body, capable of handling stress and physical demands, and strength is essential for survival. Stay prepared, stay strong. Chapter 5. Flashlight, your beacon in the dark. In times of power outages or in circumstances where light is scarce, a reliable flashlight proves to be of immense value. Choose a flashlight that's durable, waterproof, and has a long battery life. I always carry a headlamp in my kit, as it allows me to keep my hands free. Remember to test your flashlight regularly and keep spare batteries on hand. In a survival situation, light can be your lifeline. Chapter 6. Hand crank radio, staying informed. When the power goes out, communication is key. A hand crank radio not only keeps you informed about the situation, but can also provide a sense of hope and connection to the outside world. This compact device includes a replaceable and rechargeable battery, a built-in hand crank, solar panels, and an emergency radio. It's a must-have for any emergency kit. Chapter 7. Extra batteries. Powering your essentials. Store extra batteries in a durable Tupperware container positioned high on a shelf to keep them secure, waterproof, and unharmed. Make sure you have enough to power all your battery-operated devices, especially your flashlight and radio. Batteries are essential for staying connected and informed in an emergency. Chapter 8. First Aid Kit, Patching Yourself Up. A general ready-made first aid kit for your home is essential. Consider having one in your emergency kit and another somewhere else accessible. Your kit should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, gauze, and anything else you might need to treat minor injuries. Knowing how to use your first aid kit is just as important as having one. Take a first aid course and familiarize yourself with the contents of your kit. Chapter 9. Medication, Staying Healthy Under Pressure. If you rely on medication, having a backup supply is crucial in an emergency. Have a 7-day supply at the very least, especially if you are on medication that you cannot afford to skip. Store your medication in a cool, dry place, and check the expiration dates regularly. Remember, your health is your wealth, especially in a survival situation. Chapter 10. Sanitation items, staying clean in a crisis. Include toilet paper, paper towels, wet wipes, extra toothbrushes, and toothpaste in your emergency kit. Maintaining hygiene is important, even in a disaster. These items may seem small, but they can make a big difference in your comfort and well-being. Chapter 11. Essential documents, protecting your identity. Store copies of crucial documents like marriage certificates, insurance documents, property deeds, and medical records in a waterproof and fireproof container. Having these documents readily available can be invaluable in the aftermath of an emergency. Chapter 12. Extra cell phone charger, your lifeline to the outside world. An extra charger, preferably a portable one, can provide a necessary lifeline. Consider a solar power charger for reliability. Your cell phone can be a lifeline in an emergency, allowing you to contact help and stay informed. Chapter 13. Emergency contact information, reaching out for help. Include phone numbers of local authorities, close family and friends, your family doctor and local hospital in a waterproof and fireproof container. In a crisis, every second counts. Having these numbers readily accessible can save valuable time. Chapter 14. Power banks, portable powerhouses. These compact portable devices store electrical energy that can be used to charge smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices. They're a must-have for anyone who relies on their electronic devices. Chapter 15. Bonus items going the extra mile. Now, for those of you who really want to be prepared for anything, here are some bonus items I recommend adding to your emergency kit. A multi-tool, a whistle, a compass, a map of your local area, duct tape, a lighter, and a water filter. These items may not be essential for everyone, but they can be incredibly useful in a variety of situations. Remember, being prepared is not about being paranoid, it's about being responsible. We've covered the 15 essential items recommended by the American Red Cross, which are crucial for any emergency situation. Additionally, I've thrown in a few bonus items from my own survival experience, which I believe can make a significant difference. Remember, building an emergency kit is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Regularly check your supplies, replace expired items, and ensure everything is in working order. Practice using your gear frequently so you're familiar with it when the time comes. Stay safe, stay prepared, and always be ready for the unexpected. And remember, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Thanks for watching and for being proactive about your safety. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more survival tips and emergency preparedness guides. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. We'll keep exploring new terrains, testing our limits, and pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve together. Sharing the knowledge to help you thrive in any situation is our mission. We want you to be ready for anything life throws your way. See you in the next video. Stay prepared and stay safe.